Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to be making lemon volcanoes. There are a few things that you can find around your house in order to make this experiment. We here have some dish soap, some baking soda, some food coloring, and a bag of lemons. As you can see, I have already cut open one lemon. You cut up in the top like this to make a little volcano spout, and you also want to cut off the bottom, and I'll show you how to do that right now. But please remember to have an adult or a parent go ahead and do this for you. Do not use sharp knives because they are not safe. So here we go. We're going to cut open this little spout of the lemon. See, it made a little hole. And you're also going to cut the bottom like this. So it kind of looks like a volcano, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and cut another one so we can have 3. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the top of it off. Like make a little spout. That one exploded a little bit. And then also cut off the bottom. And you can make as many of these as you would like. As you see, I bought a whole bag. They're really fun to make multiple ones because you can use different food colorings with them and they'll all mix together and make a huge mess. But that's part of the fun, right? So I'm going to go ahead, put my knife over here so I don't hurt myself. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to take a spoon and scoop out, a little more than half the spoon and put it in your volcano. There you go, aka your lemon. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put some soap right on top. Now the soap isn't something you necessarily need. It makes it more bubbly and more fun to have the soap, but if you don't have it, that's okay. It will still react with just the baking soda. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some food coloring. Now this is gel food coloring, so it's a little different than regular food coloring. The store this morning didn't have any regular food coloring, so we're kind of going to see how this will work. So I got some blue, some red, and let me do some green. And let's see what happens. I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to mix it around. Oh, this is gross. And make sure you stab the lemon a little bit with the spoon so you can get that ooey gooey grossness coming out. Oh, it's mixing together. I'm really getting in there. Look at this one. You can kind of see the colors are mixing, and you can also see that if we added more lemons, it would get even grosser. Let's see, let's mix it around. Shut up. So you can see, and the fun part about this is you can go ahead and mix it because it's not going to hurt you. It's not going to do anything bad. It's just baking soda and some acidic citric acid from the lemons. You can kind of mix it, mix the colors, everything like that. So as you can see, we've made a huge mess, but it's also really fun. So thank you so much for joining me today for our short experiment. Next week we'll be making something more pirate themed, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. Thanks everyone.